Let's blow these up. Start by inflating 2 of your core 12-inch balloons to their full capacity, but not so much that they pop. This stretches the latex to give it flexibility and durability. Next, press down on the balloons to just release a little bit of air. This small step does 2 things. It stretches the latex and gives it a little extra flexibility to manipulate the balloons during assembly or to expand when temperatures change. And 2, it transforms the shape from the ordinary oval to that perfectly polished round look that professionals swear by. See the difference? The rounded balloon has that soft, Instagram-worthy aesthetic. And this oval balloon looks cheap, like a last-minute addition that's about to burst at any second. We want this one. Before you get too deep into inflating, snap a quick before pic of your balloon stash. You'll love seeing the transformation later on. Once you've inflated the 2 balloons, you'll tie them into pairs called duplets. Here's how. Hold each balloon by the neck, tuck them under your opposite armpit. Now stretch the necks to tie them in a double knot as close to the round body as possible. I then like to pull apart the knots slightly to ensure that they're nice and tight and they don't leak air. That's how I get my balloons to last longer, blowing them up days before an event without worrying about them deflating. Here's the best part. Since we're creating a free-flowing arch and not one of those obsessively symmetrical columns, you don't need to worry if both of these balloons are the same size. There's no measuring here, just vibes. Okay. With your duplets ready, you've mastered the art of inflation. So in the next lesson, we'll take these pairs and build them into larger clusters, creating the building blocks of your design. Let's keep going. You created your first cluster. We'll start again with our core 12-inch. Don't worry about which size balloon is where, just inflate them and twist them into clusters.